Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AMIRAH NAFISAH binti IZZANOL BOKIAH. My number matric is S55119. This is my presentation of my proposal project, and this is my title of the project. This is list of the content. Dithiocarbazide with formula NH2NHCS2- react with aldehyde or ketone through condensation reaction to synthesis dithiocarbazide shift bases. Dithiocarbazide containing nitrogen and sulfur donor atoms. As alkyl or aryl dithiocarbazide as sulfur nitrogen chelating agents are alluring in coordination chemistry. The existence of additional donor atoms in right position in the compound can increase the ligand coordination ability, resulting in different coordination geometries. According to the research, different ligands exhibit different biological properties even when their molecular structure is slightly changed. These are the examples of dithiocarbazide derivatives. For compound 1, it used as antibacterial activities. Compound 2, for antimicrobial activities. Compound 3, the research was about the stability in different oxidation states of cuprum. For compound 4, the application is in removal of some heavy metals ion by flotation technique with different metal complexes. Compositional analysis can countercheck the experimental because when do analysis with direct analysis, we cannot get the right structure of the compound. We lack of a direct spectrum. If we use compositional analysis, we can get right structure and calculate the energy gap, NBO and NLO. The objective is to study NBO, DFT application, MEP, IR, and MR homolumo of dithiocarbazide. The significance of study. We can get detailed compositional data on dithiocarbazide derivatives. We can get detailed measurement that help researchers design compound clearly, and we can develop more in pharmaceutical after analysis all properties in dithiocarbazide derivatives. DFT and HF have been a favorite analysis due to its great accuracy in reporting the experimental values. Dithiocarbazide derivatives have been interested by researchers due to biological properties such as antibacterial, antimalarial, antiviral, antitumor, antimicrobial, insecticidal, and optoelectronic properties. These are all the compounds that have been studied before. Most of the experiments use Gaussian 03, but in this project, I will use Gaussian 09. For the compound 1, there's also more to homolumo experiment. For compound 2, also homolumo. And compound 3 also for homolumo, but use AM1 and PM3 study research. For the compound 4 is also homolumo, but this is the latest experiment and use Gaussian 09. For method that we will use in this project, we will use GaussView 5.0 and Gaussian 9.0 software program. We will use at B3 LYP level used in the Gaussian 09 with 6311++ GDP basis set. We use the level basis set due to the standard theory level for carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and fluorine elements in Gaussian 09 software. These are the structure of molecule that I expect to get after the analysis. Between these three molecules, there are different of the substituent, which are ethyl, propyl, and butyl substituent. It is alkyl group substituent. Alkyl group is known as electron donating group. So I want to analyze the effect of electron donating group on MEP region, homolumo energy, the band gap, and MR shifted, absorption of IR frequency, and UV vis energy after I get the structure of these three molecules. This is my Gantt chart